Here we have the infotainment system in the middle screen, and you can do a lot of things. You have your home, all your radios, music source, so USB or Bluetooth, your phone of course, and navigation. And in the home screen you can do again radio, media, telephone, navigation again, things about the car. What else do we have? I want air conditioning. It's amazingly warm. It does a lot. Up with the clock, and this is, you can have different users and save stuff, and you have LTE, so you have always connected to the internet. That's very nice. The screen feels okay, doesn't react amazingly fast. It looks amazingly detailed. That's nice. I wouldn't say it's great, but it's fine. For that kind of price, I would wanted something else. But let's go into what we have here. Radio is the same as before, I guess. Yes. Yeah, shut up. Telephone, I'm guessing it's just connecting your phone. That's just and car. You can see your drive modes, and you have a lot of off-road, all-road, efficiency, comfort, already having dynamic, and you can select different things, suspension, steering. Look at that. But that's all fine to me. Then we have vehicle information, range. You can turn on range mode. I don't need that. Charging efficiency age, regen. You can select if it's done automatically or by the pedal shifters. And what is this? Doesn't tell me. This is the only screen where you can see the percentage of your battery, so 62%, because in here it just shows this here. Nobody knows what that exactly means, but here it does it. Of course, you have charging, scheduled charging and everything. Where are we? Seats. This is what I said, that you can adjust the seats. What is intensity? Ooh, massage or what? Yes, it vibrates. Ooh, no, I don't need that. You have massage seats. I didn't know that. Ooh, stretch shoulder. Oh god. Yeah, that's not needed. Seat position. Yeah, that's cute. Easy entry for driver seats. I don't want that. Easy entry for passenger seat. Also not. That's annoying. Go back, and up here you change which seat, I thought. I'm guessing that nobody is sitting, but you can adjust your seat here very well. It's nice. Just because nobody's sitting, I cannot adjust the other seat. Climate. Oh yes, look at that, what you can do. All off, normal thing. Auxiliary air conditioner. Huh? I don't know. Parking aid. Volume and entertainment fader. Oh, that's cute. Turns off entertainment. Drive assist. This is annoying. Even I put it in basic, and I try to turn off everything I can. I did it here. Adaptive cruise control assist. I turned everything off, and it still does it. Annoying. Distance warning, 100% side assist, lane departure warning. I had this all off, and it still does stuff. Not very nice. Settings and service, steering wheel button. You can select what the button does. Central locking. Just unlock all, that's good. Long press to open windows, look at that. Logging and driving. Disable. Fold mirrors, I don't need that. It's okay. You can have a trailer in here, of course. Yes, that was car. phone apps, settings, general date and time, of course, measurement unit, reminder signal, speech dialogue system. Yes, it's good to talk to. And this is, we will do that in a sec. Language, of course, sound, of course. Sorry. Announcement volume. Shut up. System maintenance, map update, all of this. Connection settings. It's really nice things. It works okay. Could be faster. Yes. And that's it. Let's go to the instrument cluster.